I, Dr. Praveen Kumar Singh, Assistant Professor, Department of Horticulture in College of Agriculture Sciences, Tirthankar Mahavir University, Muradabad. Today I will discuss post-harvest management and value addition of fruits and vegetables. Today topic is Zero Energy Cool Chamber, ZECC. Introduction. In India, quality deterioration of horticultural produce takes place immediately after harvest due to lack of on-farm storage. Second is spoilage of fresh fruits and vegetables is a serious problem. And next is cool storage can prolong the life of fresh produce, but refrigeration equipment is expensive to buy, run and maintain, involving large initial capital investment. Next is considering acute energy crisis and lack of cool storage facility, efforts made to develop low zero energy cool chambers. It means zero energy cool chambers, low cost alternative for on-farm fruits and vegetables. And next is ZECC, stay 10 to 15 degrees Celsius cooler than outside temperature and maintain relative humidity 90%. And next is this is zero energy cool chambers. Principle. Based on the principles of direct evaporative cooling, and next point is cooling effect obtained by evaporation of water, and faster the evaporation, greater is the cooling. Next point is cool temperatures stew respiration process, allowing fresh produce for longer time and avoid spoilage. Construction. The zero-energy cool chamber can be constructed easily with materials like bricks, sand, bamboo, grass, or straw, gunny bag, etc. It is most effective during the dry season, and the material primarily used in constructing this chamber, example like bricks and sand. Fortunately, both has great capacity to absorb and for return water, which evaporates slowly and steadily depending on the atmospheric temperature and humidity, resulting in cooling. Selection of place. First is site having natural air flow, and it should be made a safe place, well ventilated and away from direct sunlight, and construct the chamber in an elevated place to avoid water logging, and easy to build out of locally available materials such as bricks, sand, bamboo, straw, and gunny bags. Next topic is step for construction of ZECC. This means zero energy cool, and this slide is step of construction. First is select an upland having a nearby source of water supply. Make floor with bricks 165 centimeter into 115 centimeter, like on red side close to water source, and make bricks floor. Erect a double wall 70 centimeter high, leaving a cavity 7.5 centimeter wide between the two walls. Drench the chamber with water and soak fine river bed sand with water. These are branch chamber with water and soft fine river bend sand with water. And next is fill 7.5 centimeter cavity between the double wall with this wet sand. These are fill cavity between double wall with this wet sand. Make a frame of top cover with bamboo, sirki, straw or dry grass frame. Next, the cavity between the walls is filled with sand and the bricks and sand are kept saturated with water. Next is during hot summer month in India, this chamber is reported to maintain an inside temperature between 15 and 18 degrees Celsius and a relative humidity is 95%. Next step is build a thatched roof shed over the chamber to shield the chamber from direct sun and rain. And this peak is storage of fruits and vegetables. This slide is requirement. What is the requirement of ZECC? First is make shade over the chamber in order to protect it from direct sun or rain. Keep the sand, bricks and top cover of the chamber wet with water. And next is water twist daily in order to achieve desired temperature and relative humidity, or fix a drip system with plastic pipes and micro tubes connected to an overhead water source. Store the fruits and vegetables in this chamber by keeping the perforated plastic carrots. And next is cover these carrots with a thin or polythene sheet, and the cool chamber should be reinstalled once in 3 years with new bricks, utilizing the old bricks for other purpose. And next topic point is do not use bamboo, wood or fiber boxes because these will be damaged by moisture. These are keep sand, bricks and top cover of chamber wet. And next is water twist daily in morning and evening. And water supply can be done from drip system. Advantages. What is advantages of ZECC? First point is constructed by unskilled labor and no mechanical or electrical energy is needed, and farmer can store produce for few days, so avoid costly rush selling, and ideal for household storage. Next, reduces losses and useful for temporary storage of avoid milk, curd and cooked food. And next is it can used for mushroom cultivation, raising silkworms and storage of biofertilizers. And next point is disadvantages. What is disadvantages of ZECC? These are requires significant capital and reliable source of water supply throughout year. Precaution. What is precaution of ZECC? First point is site in a place where breezes blows, and next point is build on an elevated site to avoid waterlogging, and next point is use clean unbroken bricks with good porosity, and always keep the bricks top cover and sand saturated with water. Prevent water drop coming in contact with stored material. And next is keep the chamber clean and disinfect the chamber periodically with permitted insecticide, fungicide, chemical to protect from fungus, insect, pest, reptiles, etc. And next is construct under a thatch to avoid direct exposure to sunlight. Cost of cool chamber. These are total cost of cool chamber is 1020 numbers of structures, Rs 4000 comes to 40 lakh 80,000, which will be given in 50% subsidy to farmers. It comes to 20 lakh 40,000 100 kg capacity chamber. And next point is areas of application. First is short term storage of fresh vegetables and fruits and flowers, growing of white button mushroom, and ripening of tomato and banana, and plant propagation and storage of processed fruit products. And this topic is scope of cool chamber. What is the scope of cool chamber in ZECC? These are proposed cool chamber can be installed in different places of handling. Next point is at present fruits and vegetables are handled in open shed. The freshness is prone to considerable deterioration. And next is it is suggested that a battery of commercial size cool chambers can be installed in wholesale market. And next is units can be installed in two rows with a corridor in between. And next is fruits and vegetables stored temporarily in the cool chamber units before the transaction and retain freshness and quality. Thank you.